Today, I'm going to show you how to make $100 a week on YouTube using AI to create content and generate income through views and ads. First, you'll need to find a niche that has a high demand for content and a large audience. This could be anything from technology to cooking or gaming. Once you've identified your niche, you can use AI tools to create engaging and relevant content for your audience. This could be in the form of videos, articles, or social media posts. Next, you'll need to build your YouTube channel and start uploading your AI-generated content. Make sure to optimize your videos for search and use compelling thumbnails to attract viewers. As your channel grows, you'll start to generate income through ad revenue. The more views and engagement your videos get, the more money you can make. In addition to ad revenue, you can also explore other income streams such as sponsorships, affiliate marketing, and selling merchandise to further boost your earnings. It's important to consistently create high-quality content and engage with your audience to keep them coming back for more. Building a loyal fan base is key to long-term success on YouTube. Remember, making $100 a week on YouTube with AI-generated content is achievable with dedication, strategic planning, and a deep understanding of your target audience.